Hi, so today I'm gonna try some easy recipe again because we are lazy cooks, yeah? So some potato, some onion, some mirchi hai, hari mirchi, and then some lasan. So I'm gonna add everything. ये सब कुछ I'll add it in a bowl, in a एग सॉरी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा था सो एग में सब कुछ मिक्स करेंगे सो आई एम गोना कट और एक एग पकड़ा और उसको हमने ऐसे बाउल में डाल दिया सो आई हैव नाउ एग इन अ बाउल आई विल पुट सम aloo into it, some onion into it, trying, some lasan, some mirchi, yeah, and we'll mix it. We'll add some namak into it as well. So I'm gonna add some namak and let's experiment pepper. Yeah. So we'll make a pancake now of onion, potato. Main ingredients onion and potato. Yeah. So I'm gonna now let this gas and अभी क्या डालेंगे हम अभी इसमें हम डालेंगे ऑयल डाला yeah let's put more oil what will happen is जो ये मिक्सचर है ये स्टिक नहीं होगा उसमें है ना so मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा क्वांटिटी लिया है ट्राई करने के लिए कि क्या बनता है या सो आई एम गोना पुट द ऑयल doesn't look that heated so we'll wait for the oil to get heated and then we'll put this mixture into it to see what happens cooking is like experimenting what it becomes yeah let's put some yeah let's flip it it has become like an omelette but it has aloo in it, pyaz in it as well. So that's how it's a bit different. So aloo and pyaz with some egg. That's what it has come out to be like an omelette.